Протонното лечение при деца и възрастни е темата на публичната лекция, която професор Eugen Hug изнесе в първа аудитория на Медицинския университет Варна.
Proton therapy is really a specialized modality of regular radiation. So we treat the patients that are candidates for radiation therapy. Now, the special physics of protons are that we can target the tumor very precisely. We have a smaller entrance dose, and then after that, behind the tumor, when we deliver the radiation, there is no exit dose. So what does that mean? That means that we can constrict the necessary radiation much more to a tumor and maximally sparing the surrounding tissues. And so we typically apply it to two groups of patients. One is the patients where we want to reduce the side effects, so that's all on the pediatric patients, the children with cancer, and then the tumors that are very difficult to treat and that need high radiation dosages. For example, tumors along the spinal cord, sarcoma.
Поводът за гостуването на професор Хуг е реалната възможност за съвместна работа между Центъра за йонна терапия във Виена, който той оглавява, и клиниката по лъчелечение на Варненската университетска болница Света Марина.
Професор Хуг е почетен лектор на Българска асоциация по радиология, която в момента провеждаме конгрес в Албена, и предвид визита му в България, Медицински университет Варна и Университетска болница Света Марина го поканиха да гостува в територията на клиниката и на болницата, с оглед това, че Медицински университет Варна и Университетска болница Света Марина смятаме, че са най-подходяща локация за изграждане на протонен център в България.
Professor Encheva has a very modern department and has an excellent team, and I think she's certainly very well positioned to collaborate and to lead such a program. So no, I'm very impressed also by the pediatric oncology hospital, medical oncology. No, this is a wonderful hospital and university that you have. I am delighted to be here. People are very nice, very hospitable. I feel very comfortable here. I also think it's wonderful for somebody like me who doesn't speak Bulgarian that everybody speaks English. I mean, that is amazing. It makes it so much easier. In the past, the proton therapy was very expensive. It gets now cheaper with better technology. I believe that somebody, either in Bulgaria, Romania or so, the time has definitely come to build a center or at least have a room where you can provide protons. So we're more than happy to work with the university together, see if we can help out. I think we can provide probably a lot of practical data, that's needed for this project. And in the meantime, of course, we are also happy if there are urgent patients to maybe potentially, treat them at our center. So to basically help here any way we can.